Hi everyone, welcome to Windpoint Online Classes. Today we are going to discuss chemical properties of hydrocarbons. Please subscribe to this channel, then you will get instant notification of revision classes, live classes and sample paper solutions. This educational platform is going to help you for your board exam. And let's start the discussion. Chemical properties of hydrocarbons. What is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon is a combination of hydrogen and carbon. There are two types of hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbon. If the hydrocarbon is having single bonds only, then it is saturated hydrocarbon, and if the hydrocarbons are having double bond or triple bond with single bond, then it is unsaturated hydrocarbon. In this session, we are going to discuss different types of reactions of hydrocarbons like combustion, addition, oxidation, substitution. So these reactions are very important in the exam point of view. You cannot leave this reaction. You have to learn this one. There will be one or two questions from this session for your board exam. Okay, let's start with combustion. What do you mean by combustion? Combustion means it's just burning. We can discuss this with an example. We can do one experiment. When we are doing this experiment, you will get clear idea about combustion. Combustion means it's the burning process. There are different types of combustible substance in the surrounding, like petrol, it's a combustible substance, diesel, combustible substance. Those substances which can undergo combustion, burning, these substances are known as combustible substance. So let's see the experiment. Now we are going to discuss combustion with the help of an experiment. For doing this experiment, you need potassium permanganate and glycerin. Only two chemicals we need here, potassium permanganate and glycerin. Glycerin is in alcohol family, so it is a combustible substance. Glycerin is a combustible substance. We are going to do the experiment. First we are taking potassium permanganate in this container. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home because it is little bit dangerous. If you are doing it, someone should be there with you. Your parents or some elders should be there with you. I am going to add glycerin into this. Now we have taken potassium permanganate in these containers. Now we are going to add glycerin. It will take a little bit time to start the reaction. This reaction is combustion. When we are doing this at home, we need to be careful because it is a little bit dangerous. So this reaction is giving light and heat. So it is combustion. Combustion is just burning process. Thanks for watching. Let's continue with our class. So in the previous experiment, glycerin is a combustible substance. It is a family of alcohol. This is the formula of glycerin, and you can see that there are three alcohol group here. So this is a combustible substance. Because of this character, it is undergoing combustion with the help of oxygen. This oxygen is provided by potassium permanganate. Okay, so can you define combustion now? During combustion, we are getting heat and light, right? Now we can define combustion. Burning of a substance in the presence of oxygen is known as combustion. Very simple definition, right? It's a burning of a substance in the presence of oxygen. If there is no oxygen, there is no burning. Okay, oxygen is helping for burning. That oxygen, the previous experiment, the oxygen is provided by potassium permanganate. Glycerin is undergoing burning process. At the time of combustion, during combustion reaction, we are getting heat and light. Burning of hydrocarbon will produce heat and light. So this is known as combustion. Let us discuss some of the examples of combustion. We are going to write balanced equation. We have discussed method of balancing in the first chapter, right? I think you know how to balance a chemical reaction, right? C plus O2 gives CO2. When we are burning carbon, we are getting carbon dioxide plus heat and light. C plus O2 gives CO2. Next one, CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat and light. In burning process, this heat and light, it is compulsory. There will be production of heat and light, and it is methane. CH4 is methane. It is reacting with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water with heat and light. It is combustion reaction. Next one, CH3CH2OH. What is this CH3CH2OH? There are two carbon, eth, right? And there is OH group, ol. So it is ethanol. Ethanol is reacting with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. So it is combustion reaction. So if there is a combustion reaction of hydrocarbon, carbon dioxide and water, it is compulsory. There will be the formation of carbon dioxide and water. So that's the clue, right? If there is a reaction of hydrocarbon with oxygen, you are going to get carbon dioxide and water. After that you can balance it, and heat and light is also compulsory. Okay, so you need to learn this equation. One of the questions from this session, it is sure for your exam. So learn this one. Next one. Next we can discuss addition. Addition is a simple process. During addition, unsaturated hydrocarbon is converting into saturated hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon with double bond or triple bond, they are converting into single bonded hydrocarbon. The method is very easy. Let us discuss one example. CH2 double bond CH2. What is this CH2 double bond CH2? There are two carbon atoms. So it is eth and it is double bond. Double bond means you need to end up the name with ene. So it is ethene, right? CH2 double bond CH2, it is ethene plus H2. This ethene is combined with hydrogen. What is going to happen here? Can we change this H2? There are two hydrogen atoms. I am changing this H2 like this. Here you can see that now these are H2, right? H2 means H single bond H. That is H2. During this reaction, one H will go to this CH2 and other H will go to the other CH2, right? There are two CH2 and two hydrogen. One hydrogen will go to CH2 and other hydrogen will go to the other CH2. Let's see that like this. So what will be the compound after the reaction? Now it is CH2. If there is a hydrogen extra, then it will be CH3. Here also it will be CH3. So we can write CH3 single bond CH3. The double bonded carbon atom, the double bonded hydrocarbon is changing into single bonded hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon is converting into saturated hydrocarbon, right? This is the process. This reaction is known as addition reaction. It's very simple process, right? In the first reaction it was combustion. During combustion we are getting heat and light. In addition, unsaturated hydrocarbon is converting into saturated hydrocarbon. Now, let's write the complete equation. CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2 gives what we are going to get after the reaction. Here we are marking the transfer of hydrogen in the presence of nickel. What is the role of nickel here? Na is nickel. Nickel is a catalyst. Catalyst will increase the rate of reaction. It will increase the rate of reaction. That's the role of this nickel. Nickel is a catalyst. Okay, so this hydrogen is going to CH2 and this other hydrogen is going to CH2. We are going to show it. We are going to show that transfer of hydrogen using arrow marks. One hydrogen is going to this CH2, right? And other hydrogen is going to this CH2. Now, what will be the product after the reaction? It will be CH3, CH3. To complete the valency, two bonds are not required now. Only single bond is required because it is CH3. CH3 means carbon already completed its valency. Three valencies are over. One more valency means single bond. This is a reaction. Now we can discuss next example. Here it is CH triple bond CH. CH triple bond CH is ethyne, right? What is happening here? What is going to happen here? One hydrogen will go to CH and other hydrogen will go to this CH. right? You can see that in the presence of nickel, nickel is a catalyst here. One hydrogen is going to this CH and other hydrogen is going to this CH. What will be the product? It will be CH2, CH2. Here it is triple bond. It will be double bond here. Okay. In addition reaction, triple bond will convert into double bond and double bond will convert into single bond. The process of conversion of unsaturated hydrocarbon to saturated hydrocarbon, it is known as addition reaction. Next one, oxidation. For this oxidation, there are three definitions. You need to learn three definitions. Okay, oxidation. There are three definitions for that. First definition is, it is the removal of electrons. Oxidation means it is a removal of electron. Zinc is donating electron. It is oxidation. Second definition is addition of oxygen. If you are adding oxygen to an element, it is oxidation. Addition of oxygen. Removal of hydrogen. Removal of electron or removal of hydrogen. And oxidation is addition of oxygen. You need to learn all these definitions. Let us discuss oxidation with the help of an example. CH3CH2OH. This is ethanol, right? CH3CH2OH is ethanol. Gives, we are going to oxidize this ethanol using alkaline KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O7. KMnO4 is potassium permanganate. K2Cr2O7 is potassium dichromate. These two reagent is very important. Alkaline KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O7. During oxidation, after oxidation, we are going to get ethanoic acid. Here it is ethanol. We are getting ethanoic acid. CH3CH2OH gives CH3COOH. Why it is oxidation? Because we are adding oxygen. Here there is only one oxygen. After the reaction there are two oxygen, right? So we are adding oxygen. So it is oxidation reaction. Addition of oxygen. Okay. So this reaction is very important. In the board paper, you are going to get some of the questions from this session, like complete the reaction, convert ethanol to ethanoic acid. Any of the question, very important reaction, you need to learn this one. Okay, the reaction CH3CH2OH gives CH3COOH in the presence of alkaline KMnO4 plus heat or acidified K2Cr2O7 plus heat. The substances which are helping for oxidation reaction are known as oxidizing agent. Here it is oxidizing agent, right? What is oxidizing agent? In the experiment, do you remember the experiment? Glycerol is undergoing combustion. It is oxidation actually. The oxidizing agent is potassium permanganate. Here the oxidizing agent is alkaline KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O7. They will help for the oxidation. This chemical will help to oxidize a substance. That is oxidizing agent. Then what about reducing agent? They will help for reduction. Right, just opposite. Next one, substitution reaction. Substitution, right? What do you mean by the term substitution? When you are playing football, you might be familiar with this term, right? Substitution. If someone is not playing properly, we can change that player with a good player, right? Same thing is happening with hydrocarbons. Let us discuss this with an example. What is the name of this compound? C4 hydrogen atom. CH4, methane, right? Methane is reacting with chlorine here. Methane is reacting with chlorine. Methane, is it unsaturated or saturated? It is saturated hydrocarbon. Only single bond. Okay. CH4 is methane. It is reacting with Cl2, chlorine, in the presence of sunlight. If there is a reaction between methane and chlorine, what is going to happen here? Cl is going to replace hydrogen from hydrocarbon. What is going to happen here? The chlorine, one chlorine atom is going to replace hydrogen from this hydrocarbon, and that hydrogen is going to combine with the second chlorine. How many chlorine atoms are here? There are two chlorine atoms, right? Here you can see that there are two chlorine atoms. From these two chlorine atoms, one chlorine atom is going to replace hydrogen from this hydrocarbon. One chlorine atom is going to replace hydrogen from this hydrocarbon. It will be, the reaction will be like this. They will exchange the position. Now it is Cl2. Cl2 I am writing like this. No problem in that, because we can write Cl2 like this. Cl single bond Cl. What is going to happen here? Here they are going to exchange their position. Hydrogen is going to exchange the position with chlorine. They are going to exchange their position. Let's see that. Like this. Now we are getting HCl after the reaction, and we are getting a new compound. It is chloromethane, right? This reaction is known as substitution reaction. One hydrogen is replaced by one chlorine atom. Substitution reaction. CH4 plus Cl2 gives CH3Cl plus HCl. If you are writing the reaction, reduce one hydrogen and add chlorine. Reduce one hydrogen and add chlorine. If you are continuing the reaction, what will be the next step? CH3Cl plus Cl2 gives, right, here you can see the reaction, CH3Cl plus Cl2 gives in the presence of sunlight. Reduce one hydrogen, add one chlorine. It will be CH2Cl2 plus HCl. Next one, CH2Cl2 plus Cl2 gives, what would be the product? Reduce one hydrogen, add one chlorine. It will be CHCl3 plus HCl. Next one, CHCl3 plus Cl2 gives, what would be the product? It will be CCl4, reduce one hydrogen. Only one hydrogen is there, right? We are going to reduce that hydrogen, CCl4 plus HCl. It is the process of replacing hydrogen of saturated hydrocarbon with another atom in the presence of sunlight. This reaction is known as substitution reaction. So these all reactions are very important. You need to learn this reaction, and if you like this video, please share this video with your friends. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.